Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, we're gonna make a delicious and easy butternut squash and chickpea chana masala. Now, I love butternut squash. I love chana masala. I love Indian food. So I'm really excited to share this recipe with you. Let's get to it. So the thing about this recipe is if you're looking for a true, authentic chana masala, this is not that one. This is a really simple, easy, pared down version that kind of gives you those notes and aromas and flavors with some, a little bit of a spin, having the butternut squash in there, but it's not a full-blown traditional recipe. So I just want to get that out of the way now. So if you make it, you understand that, it's a little bit different. It's an easy chana masala recipe. So the first thing you want to start out with is you want to warm up some oil over a medium-low heat. You take that oil, we're gonna add in our mirepoix. So mirepoix is 2 parts onion, 1 part carrot, 1 part celery. So you're gonna add in the mirepoix and we're just gonna saute that until those onions start to sweat and become a little bit translucent. It's about 5 minutes. After the onions are sweating, then go ahead and add in the minced garlic and just cook that for about 1 minute. Okay, so the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna bloom the spices for this chana masala. What does blooming spices mean? Well, here's the thing. So spices and a lot of herbs actually release a lot more of their flavor compounds when steeped in oil than when steeped in a liquid, like almost 10 times as much. So using a less amount of the spice, you can actually get a much stronger aroma and flavor by blooming it in the oil. So we're gonna start off with the ground cumin and just go ahead and add in the cumin and sauteing this over a medium-low heat still, adding more oil if you need it. You'll start to smell that cumin, which is one of my favorite spices. After that cooks for about 30 seconds, add in the garam masala, and just rinse and repeat, do the same thing. Being careful not to burn the spices here because you're pretty much just cooking them in straight up oil. So you don't want to burn them. You just want to release those aromatics and those flavor compounds, and that's what the oil does. And then lastly, go in and add the curry powder and just, once again, cook that for about 30 seconds just so it's nice and aromatic. And now you should be done. So just to come back to that, so blooming spices, no matter what you're making, whether it's this chana masala or if you're making your favorite chili, I highly recommend trying it because it really does open up those spices and provide those flavor compounds in a way that you don't experience if you just add them into liquid. So anyway, getting back to it. So now we're gonna go in and add a can of chopped tomatoes, liquid and all. And a ½ cup of vegetable broth. Let's bring that mixture to a simmer, a really low simmer. So at this point, if you're making this recipe, your house smells amazing. The garlic, the onions, the spices, it smells really, really wonderful. And as it starts to simmer, it's gonna smell even better. Once the mixture is simmering, add in your cubed butternut squash. Also, if you want to know how to freeze butternut squash, I have a video for that, so be sure to check that out. And also check out my other how-to videos from how to store celery to how to chop basil, all that stuff. I got everything. So add in the butternut squash and bring it back to a simmer. And once it starts simmering, you want to cook it for about 5 minutes. So after the butternut squash has cooked for about 5 minutes, now you're gonna add in the chickpeas. So go ahead and add those in. And then once again, bring the mixture up to a simmer, a low simmer, and let it cook for an additional 5 minutes. At the end of those 5 minutes, the butternut squash should be pretty fork tender. Now, if you want it cooked more, that's fine, let it cook a few more minutes, but it's pretty much good to go. So once it's done cooking and the butternut squash is at your preferred level of doneness, go ahead and turn off the heat and remove the pot from the stove. We're gonna take half of the chopped cilantro and mix it into the mixture, into the chana masala, and then just take the remaining cilantro and just sprinkle it over the top. Cover that baby up and it's ready to serve. But I have one little tip for this recipe. Like I said, this is not a full-on traditional chana masala, but one thing that you will benefit from is if you make this ahead of time and then serve it like the next day, giving those flavors a chance to meld. It's just amazing, and I think you're really gonna like it. If you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week. If there's something that you wanna see, drop a comment down below. And hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. See you guys next time. And then lastly, go ahead and add in the curry powder. I cannot speak tonight.